Hey you guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I've got an unboxing here. This is a Total Super Bar that I ordered from eBay for about 40 bucks with the shipping and everything. So we're gonna just get that unboxed real quick and then see what's inside. Alright, so now we're pulling out the bar. There's the box, nothing else is in there. We'll put that over here. Here's the bar. It says Total Super Bar on the front of it. There's all the measurements for you. The inch bar, the pitch. But there it is, Total Super Bar. Let's take this off. Here it is. Check that out. Total Super Bar. That looks clean. I'm digging the look of it. I'm gonna definitely clean it up. It's a little I think that's just dirtiness, or it could just be from when they were making the bar. Doesn't matter, I'll clean it up. But check that out. It even has the little dial on the front, like the one from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I could see a little bit of heating right here from when they were heating it up. But yeah, it's a little burnt, but cutting wise, I don't know how this will do. I'm never gonna cut with this bar. This is all for the 245 prop. I'm gonna put a chain on this, probably cut off the actual teeth off the chain and just get it welded on. But yeah, at least for prop wise for your Texas Chainsaw stuff, this is looking pretty damn good. Check it out. I'll show you this. I don't really know what these right here are for. Sorry if I get this wrong. I think that might be for the oil to flow down to the chain. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I'm sorry, guys. That's just what I think. Has that on both sides. This side it's flipped around, so it says Total on both sides of it. But yeah, it looks pretty badass. I'm digging it. I'm actually going to go throw this on the 245 right now. And let's actually see how it looks there, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. I decided to put my flash on for this part. It's not even nighttime, but just so you guys can get a better view. There's the 245A. Here's the bar. The Total Super Bar. One thing, I think I might have gotten the wrong size bar. It looks perfect. There's only one problem. Let me see if I could show you. Take my bolts loose, my nuts loose real quick. Let me go ahead and just... I don't want to take them completely off. There you go. There's a good amount of movement in there, but if you're just using it as a prop for me, you can literally just hold it up like that. Sorry, I keep messing up the camera, but you can literally just hold it up like that, then tighten those down, and it shouldn't be a problem. It'll probably wiggle itself loose eventually, but even like that, it doesn't look too bad. You could just tell that it's a little crooked. I'm not gonna go through the hassle of sending it back, especially after I blacked everything out on the actual tag. So I'm happy with it regardless. If I have to, I'll honestly do some adjustments to that on the inside to help it from moving so much. There it is, extended out. Pretty badass, but I'm happy with it like that. anyways, thanks for watching. See ya.